Hey guys, welcome to the videos about YouTube Shorts, and how does it works. Listen up, because understanding how your videos get found can be super helpful to your channel success. So, let's get started. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos up to 60 seconds in length. In addition to showing on your channel, viewers may find your short-form video on the homepage, Shorts shelf, and tap into a vertical viewing experience made for short videos. So we have many questions in our mind. Can we earn money from YouTube Shorts? How do YouTube Shorts go viral? How do I make a short video? So answer is very simple. Earn from YouTube Shorts? Yes, but it's a little complicated to explain. Basically, with Shorts, there'll be views coming from outside of the short shelf and those will be monetized. To create a short video on YouTube, sign into YouTube on mobile, tap create and then tap create a short beta. To make your short longer than 15 seconds, tap 15s above the record button to record up to 60 seconds. Recording with music from our library is limited to 15 seconds. To record a clip, hold the capture button or tap it to start recording and then again to stop. You can also use various creative features, including add music and sound, adding text after recording a short, and also control your short video speed and timer. So, that's all about YouTube Shorts. I hope you guys are getting better information about YouTube Shorts. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.